Welcome back to WordPress 101. Now that you're familiar with the WordPress dashboard, you're ready to start creating and publishing some content. So in this video, we'll take a look at the two primary types of content included in WordPress by default: posts and pages. Now before we begin, it's important to understand the difference between posts and pages in WordPress. To do that, let's take a look at the public view of the example website we'll be creating throughout the remainder of this course. Now this site uses one of the default themes included in WordPress called 2020. At the top of the page is the header, which contains a logo and tagline, and on the right, a navigation menu. And as we scroll down the page, you'll see blocks of content containing text in various formats, images, buttons, and more. At the very bottom of the page, the footer area contains a couple of widgets. These blocks will appear at the bottom of every page in your site. Now, you can create any type of page layout you want using blocks. And throughout this course, we'll show you how to use the various blocks that are available in WordPress to create just about any type of website you can imagine. This demo site includes a blog, which is a list of posts or articles in chronological order, with the most recent article on top. And if you click the title of the blog post, you could read the article in its entirety. So posts are blog entries or articles, and they can be published within categories, making it easy for your readers to find all the related blog posts in the same category. Pages, on the other hand, are typically used for static content, or content that doesn't change very often. In this site, one example is the About page, which contains information about this fictitious company. Another common example is the Contact page, which you've probably seen on most sites. Important pages like this are typically included in your site's primary navigation menu. Now, generally speaking, it's a good idea to include a blog in your site strategy. But if you prefer, you could also omit the blog altogether and build a website that's made up of only pages. Or you could create a site that is only a blog. It's entirely up to you. WordPress enables you to use any combination of static pages and blog posts to build any type of site you can imagine. I hope this helps explain the difference between pages and posts in WordPress. In the next video, we'll take a look at the editor, and I'll show you how to create beautiful page layouts using blocks.